interaction. So user interact with the mobile app mainly through touches like a gesture, such as tapping on the button, scrolling a list, or zooming on map. So in React Native we have some basic component which is button, which is used to get a user interaction to perform some operations. Okay, then we have the touchables, which is component that provide the capability to capture the tapping gestures of the user. So we have the four type of touchables, like a touchable highlights, touchable native feedback, touchable opacity, touchable without feedback. Okay, so we'll start with button. Okay, so I'm continuing with the view component that I have created in last section. Okay, so what I'm trying to do this that I will add one button component here, and after clicking on the button component I will randomly change the background color of the view. Okay, so to do so I'm adding one small view component on the center of this parent component. Okay, so let's add one view component here. Okay. Okay, so to render this view component we need to add one style for this component. So let's add one more style, name as a center view. Okay, let's add some width 200, height 200, then you can give some border corner, border radius. Okay, 20, then border width let's give 2, then border color to differentiate the view with border black. Okay, so I have created this style for center view. So let's add a style for center view. Style equal to styles dot center view and saved it. So this view component is appear here on the upper leftmost corner. Okay, with some border. Okay, so let's add this component on the center of parent view. So to do so we need to add justify content as a center and align atoms as a center. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so you can find this view which is placed onto the center of the parent view. Okay, so let's add some button component here. So before that we need to add button on React Native, then add button component. Okay, let's add title for this component. So title change color. Okay, then we need to add one prop, that is on press. Okay, so here as the name suggests, that title, which is give the title to this button, and on press it is a pop which give the callback for button action. Okay, so what we have to do that we will change this center view color on the button tab. Okay, so to change this we need some random colors. So I am directly using this generate color method, okay, to generate the random color. Okay, so let's add this method here. Okay, this generate color. Okay, so what it will happen, that means after clicking on button, it will call this generate color method and it will generate one random color. Okay, so you can find that means after saving that button got appear on the below of center view. Okay, so what we have to do next, that this random color need to assign to the view. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we need to maintain the state for this random color. Okay, so for that we need to create one constructor method with props. Okay, let's call super props. Okay, let's create state, and inside state we will create one state, we maintain one state with some default value green. Okay, so what I have did, that I have created one state for random color. Okay, so after that we need to bind this generate color method. Okay, so this generate color, this generate color bind method with this. Okay, so we have bind this generate color method. Okay, so what it will happen, that after clicking on the button, okay, it will create one random color and this random color get maintained into the state, that is random color state. Okay, so once that state get changed, the return method get called, and whatever the color get generated, it will directly it will directly assign as a background color to the center view. Okay, so to assign this background color to this center view, we need to add a background color inline method here. Okay, so for that we need to add multiple style. So already we added this style, so let's add background color. Okay, and we need to assign this random color as a background color. Sorry, random color. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, so you can find that the default color get assigned to the center view. Okay, So let's click on the change color button. Okay, so it will change the center color background with red color. Let's click one more time, it will change to the different color. Okay, so in this way, so button get work, and on the clicking on this button it will generate the random color and which is assigned to the center view as a background color. Okay, so